All right, so number 1 is I am sick.
What can awesome?
Okay, did you say what can awesome? Perfect, thank you. And then she is sick.
What awesome? Kika.
Okay, did you say what awesome? Kika.
There's 2 K's there together. What awesome?
Oh,
Kika.
okay, thank you. What awesome? Kika. Perfect, thank you. Are you sick?
Kashwa awesome.
Okay, did you say kaha awesome? Perfect, thank you. And then the candle is burning.
What ti kalau lena. I always have trouble with Kendall. What ti kaulena.
Okay, did you say wa ti paolena? Thank you. The candle is out.
What tu ti kaulena.
Okay, shla tu ti paolena. Perfect, thank you. Light the candle.
Ti kalauna.
Okay, Gwelen ti kaolena. Perfect, thank you. I like rice.
Amaskan I lawi isha. Amaskan I lausha.
Okay, Amashkan i lausha. Yeah, Amashkan i lausha. Lausha. Okay, thank you. We eat rice for dinner.
Sakwam min I lausha slitka.
Okay. Sakwamen i lausha sletka. Okay, thank you. Whoops. 9, please pass the rice.
Shima ti lausha.
Okay. Shima i lausha. Okay, thank you. You are smart.
Schmautkau.
Did you say schmaltkauch? Perfect, thank you. You are all smart. Right.
Schmautkash.
Schmaltkash.
Yeah, it just puts an O where the R was when you say smart,
Okay,
because there's no R in our language.
okay, so schmaltkash. Perfect, thank you. All right, so we're at the practice, so I'll let you speak. Thank you.
What can awesome? What can awesome? What can awesome?
Perfect. I am sick.
What awesome? Awesome kika. What awesome kika?
Okay, she is sick. Okay, could you say it one more time, please?
What awesome kika?
Thank you. And there you go.
Kahwa awesome. Kahwa awesome. Kahwa awesome.
How are you sick?
What ti kaulena? What ti kaulena? What ti kaulena?
How the candle is burning.
Slap to ti kalena. Slap to ti kalena. Slap to ti kalena.
Thank you. How the candle is out.
Wallen ti kalena. Wallen ti kalena. Wallen ti kalena.
Well, then, oh, the light the candle. I was gonna say.
Amaskan I lausa. Amalkan I Lausa. Amalkan I Lausa.
Okay. Cooksham cow. I like rice.
My grandma used to call it lice.
Lice.
Lice. Kletka. Shakwaman I Lausa. Kletka. Shakwaman M.E. Lauska. That was a mouthful.
Right? That one's a mouthful. Thank you. We eat rice for dinner.
Shimachi Laisha. Shimachi Klaish La Isha. Shimachi Laisha.
Okay. Is that what's happening right now? I'm gonna close it just to see. Okay, thank you. Please.
There it is.
Okay.
Smart cow. Smart cow. Smart cow.
Perfect. Thank you. You are smart.
Smart cow. Smart cash.
Thank you. Oh,
Oh.
somebody's moving stuff. Here we go.
Going backwards instead of forwards. We are smart. There it is.
We're back. We figured it out. Cooksham Cow Geneva. Thank you so much for this. And we thank the First Peoples Cultural Council as well as Ukwamuk All Nation Service Society and the Shamakum Chief and Council and Shuitau, the videographer. Thank you.